Would you believe me if I told you that something as easy and natural as taking care of yourself may drastically improve the health of your prostate in just one day? Here's the startling reality, though. Masturbation. That's correct, indeed. Without ever entering a doctor's office, the action that most people consider to be personal and unimportant may be the secret to increasing circulation, lowering inflammation, and even boosting prostate function. We're discussing more than just fundamental health advice in today's video. Stay tuned to the very end, because the ultimate revelation may permanently alter your perspective on aging and prostate health. We're delving into cutting-edge research and the unexpected advantages that few people are aware of. I have a small favor to ask before we begin today's fantastic topic. Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might find this information useful if you haven't already. We sincerely appreciate your support, and each like, and subscription you provide helps us produce even more insightful content to aid in your health journey. We appreciate your participation in health mastery. Let's begin. Our bodies undergo a number of changes as we age, some of which are more obvious than others. Prostate health becomes a major worry for males. The prostate is a tiny but important gland that affects both general health and reproductive health. But unless something goes wrong, it frequently doesn't receive the attention it merits. However, what if this essential organ could be supported naturally, enhancing its performance and reducing possible problems before they even occur? Although it's not a topic that's discussed much, every older man should have a healthy prostate. Radar. From hormone abnormalities to inflammation. As we age, the prostate changes significantly, which can cause pain, health hazards, and even long-term diseases like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Therefore, using proactive natural measures to maintain its health is crucial. In this video, we'll show you how a straightforward natural masturbation technique can have a significant effect on the health of your prostate. The science underlying this is intriguing and hopeful, despite the fact that it may sound unexpected. Thus, hold on tight, because we're going to go into great detail on how consistent self-care can help preserve ideal prostate function, lower inflammation, and increase circulation. The change in the prostate. The benefits of masturbating. First, let's review the science underlying the benefits of masturbation for the prostate. This may seem a little unexpected to most people. However, research has demonstrated for decades that consistent stimulation can benefit prostate health in a number of ways. First, improved blood flow. Your body feels increased blood flow throughout the pelvic area when you self-stimulate. Your prostate and the surrounding tissues are getting more oxygen and essential nutrients as a result of the increased circulation, which supports the tissue's natural processes of regeneration and repair. Improved blood circulation can actually support greater metabolic activity and aid in the prostate's more effective removal of metabolic waste, according to scientific research. For seniors, whose circulation may naturally slow down as they age, this could be very helpful. Imagine it as a gentle daily checkup that keeps your prostate healthy and prepared for peak performance. Although masturbation by itself isn't a panacea, its impact on circulation is vital for preserving prostate health, especially in older adults. Improved circulation results in faster regeneration, healthier tissue, and a more functional prostate overall. 2. Decreased inflammation. As men age, prostatitis, another name for prostate inflammation, is a prevalent problem. When prostatic fluids build up and become stagnant, inflammation may result, resulting in discomfort and further issues. Masturbation, however, has an unexpectedly positive function in this situation. By aiding in the removal of these secretions, ejaculation naturally lowers the risk of fluid accumulation. You are supporting a more balanced prostate environment in addition to enhancing emotional well-being by partaking in this easy natural activity. Regular ejaculation has been shown to lower the risk of chronic inflammatory disorders, which is especially significant for older persons. According to research, you can help your prostate work more effectively and prevent the discomfort that frequently comes with aging by controlling inflammation. Prostate health is greatly influenced by hormones, and one of the surprising advantages of self-stimulation is its effect on hormone regulation. 3. Endorphin release and hormonal balance. A range of hormones, including endorphins, are released when self-care behaviors like masturbation are performed. Importantly, these feel-good molecules also help lower stress and improve mood, serve as organic pain relievers, promoting relaxation and general health. But the advantages don't end there. Additionally, masturbation can trigger the production of other hormones, such as oxytocin, which lowers anxiety and fosters a sense of community. This hormonal equilibrium does more than improve mental well-being. By reducing inflammation and enhancing general body function, it also helps the prostate. And what else? According to studies, preserving a hormonally balanced atmosphere can enhance physical health, lower stress levels, and improve mental clarity. This hormonal balance makes the prostate more capable of performing at its peak, which may reduce the likelihood of aging-related problems. 4. Preventing congestion in the prostate. Another typical problem that men have as they age is prostate congestion. Although the prostate normally secretes fluids, these fluids can build up and cause pain or more serious diseases if they are not frequently removed. Similar to BPH, masturbation may be your natural ally in this situation. By preventing this fluid accumulation, regular self-stimulating keeps the prostate clear, unobstructed, and operating more effectively. Consider it similar to a routine prostate cleansing, assisting in clearing obstructions and maintaining efficiency. Men frequently worry about prostate enlargement, and by avoiding this congestion, you're also lowering your chance of getting it. Age. For long-term prostate health and general well-being, this natural flushing process is essential. The complete transformation of prostate health. These advantages range from better hormonal balance and congestion avoidance to increased blood circulation and decreased inflammation. Collaborate to improve prostate health in a revolutionary way. Although masturbation is not a panacea, it may be a useful tool for preserving ideal prostate function when incorporated into a comprehensive strategy for good aging. To put it simply, consistent self-stimulation keeps the prostate in a condition of renewal, which enables it to better handle the difficulties associated with age. It's similar to giving your prostate a thorough makeover, making sure it can withstand long-term health issues. It's important to exercise moderation. Despite the fact that masturbation is usually a natural and safe behavior, moderation is crucial. Excessive stimulation might cause weariness, genital discomfort, or distraction from everyday tasks. However, taking a brief pause or changing your routine usually fixes these negative effects. You should speak with a healthcare provider if you ever feel chronic discomfort or discover that your behaviors are having a detrimental impact on your life. Maintaining your general health, including the health of your prostate, always requires a well-rounded, healthful approach. As we conclude our in-depth discussion of prostate health today, it is evident that consistent self-stimulating has a number of possible advantages, ranging from better hormonal balance and congestion avoidance to increased blood circulation and less inflammation. Masturbation can be a straightforward, all-natural self-care exercise that promotes prostate health, but moderation is key. So when you become older, recall that complicated procedures or pricey drugs are not necessary for prostate care. Remain informed, remain curious, and continue to master your health with small habits that can have a significant impact. Sometimes the answer is easier than you think, and it's something you can do yourself every day. You now see how even something as basic as taking care of yourself may have a significant impact on the health of your prostate. What is preventing you from acting? Making a difference doesn't require costly therapies or intricate processes. You may be on your way to improved circulation, decreased inflammation, and a healthier prostate as you age, just through natural, scientifically supported activities. This will be insightful